I'm Sherry Van Dyke, and what I'm going to talk to you a little bit about is the 4 modules in DBT, Dialectical Behaviour Therapy. Dialectical Behaviour Therapy, of course, is a skills training focused therapy, and there's 4 sets of skills that we teach people when they come into DBT. So the first set is the core mindfulness skills. I'm going to give you a really brief overview of what these skills are. Core mindfulness, many people know what mindfulness is about. Present moment focus and practicing bringing acceptance to our experience. So the core mindfulness skills, as the name implies, are really core to the therapy that the skills that we're training our clients in. And the core mindfulness skills really help people stay focused in the present moment and practice acceptance in their lives, which really is a key thing in emotion regulation. So it really helps them manage emotions more effectively. Helps in a lot of other ways too, but you'll find out more about that. The second module that we teach people is distress tolerance skills. And this is really the set of skills people need when they have problem behaviors that they're engaging in. And who doesn't have problem behaviors that we engage in at times. So problem behaviors could be addiction, it could be eating disorder problems, it could be lashing out at somebody. And so the skills in the distress tolerance module are teaching people basically replacement behaviors for those old problem behaviors. Third module is emotion regulation. And this, of course, is where we get a little bit more specific. All of the skills really address emotion regulation in different ways. But the emotion regulation module specifically helps people learn to label their emotions more accurately. We teach people, for example, the functions of emotions so that they learn the purpose of the emotions that they're experiencing. Really lots of stuff is involved in the emotion regulation module, but that's some of the stuff that you'll get. And then we'll also be talking about specific skills to help people manage those emotions more effectively. So for example, opposite to emotion action, which, just to give you an idea of what that would be like, is really the key skill that we use in treating anxiety. But in DBT, we look at generalizing that skill so that we're helping people act opposite to a lot of other different emotions as well. And then the final module in DBT is the interpersonal effectiveness module. And this is where we're really helping people, obviously, be more effective in their relationships. You know, relationships in a very general sense. So what I tell my clients is think not just, your partner or your mother or your best friend, but also think about skills in the sense of the person that you need to contact at Rogers to get help with your cell phone bill, or to get that new PVR box that you need, or whatever. So really general skills to help us be more effective in communicating with others, and also looking at balancing more in our lives. So that relationships, for example, are more about give and take versus one or the other. And so that we're really having a balance of activities as well as responsibilities and those kinds of things. So that really, in a nutshell, is the 4 DBT skills modules.